Brands are already paying hundreds of dollars for AI images like these. And no, I'm not talking about random AI art. I'm talking about content businesses actually use to make money. Most people think AI generation is just about making cool pictures, but that's not where the money is. The real money is in creating market assets that brands actually need. Brands need product photos for their websites, ads, and their social media every single day. They constantly need content. But professional photo shoots are very expensive and they actually need new visuals every single week. And this is why AI image generation is such a valuable skill right now. And this is also the moment I realized AI images are an actual business skill. If you know how to create high quality visuals, you can solve a real business problem. Take a look at those two examples. Most AI images still look very fake. And this is exactly why prompting matters so much. Many people still got the same problem. Bad lighting, weird text, plastic textures. But when you understand prompting correctly, the results become completely different. So how do people make money? They use Fiverr, Instagram brands, websites, ads, and cookbooks, for example. You're not selling AI images. You're selling content that businesses actually need. And that's why people are willing to pay for it. And even small brands are paying hundreds of dollars for high quality visuals because good content directly affects sales. You know, a skincare brand, for example, doesn't just need one image. They need website banners, ads, Instagram posts, product visuals, and that's why you can charge real money for this. So talking about the pricing, a small package could be $500, for example, and a full branding package could easily be around $1,000 or even more. Honestly, it's not that hard to find clients. Many people think it's very hard, but you can contact startups, you can contact e-commerce brands, you can contact local businesses or creators, influencers. They all need content. So how do you create these images? I personally use ChatGPT 2.0, and all you actually need to do is create a very high quality prompt, put it into ChatGPT, generate a picture, and if you're happy with it, that's it. If not, you can directly correct your prompt inside ChatGPT. And over time, I built my own prompting system to create these kinds of visuals more consistently. And if you want to study the exact structure and the prompts I used, it's linked below. But even if you don't use my system, start learning this skill, start learning how to prompt, because businesses are really paying for it. And most people use AI for entertainment, and the smart ones use it to build something valuable. This is what I want you to understand. Thank you for your attention. I hope this video helped you, and I see you in the next one.